What do we got going on today?
We have a 4x1200 race tune-up, so just a short one today.
And what are we prepping for?
We are prepping for the USATF 10-mile championships. But for this is beautiful. Really, I can't tell. Maybe a little on that side.
How was the first rep?
It's weird. It's kind of slippery, but I feel fine. So
Okay.
it's like
Traction's getting
the first. Yeah, I'm glad we
okay.
started now. It's, it's getting slipperier, but feels good.
What did you hit?
355.
355, okay.
We could get in without Lundo to the indoor track.
No.
Two more?
Yeah. That's when the you guys got in this morning.
I was gonna say, oh, we could probably get in.
We'll probably sneak in, yeah.
This makes greedy athletes,
It
though,
really
right?
does, yeah.
It really does, yeah.
And scenic shots.
Yeah, I know, right? This is great lighting, you know?
Amazing.
How was rep number 3?
Good. It's feeling better as it goes.
Like the track is, or like you're warming up into it, you mean?
Warming up into
Okay.
I would say the track.
Track's getting
Feeling
worse?
That's okay. Stop, it feels so peaceful. It really does. And really it's just that stretch. It's like, yeah. A little blinding. Yeah. Just can't see. Nice work, Jenna. Nice work. What do you have today? Oh, yeah. Sorry. I'll be back. Oh, yeah, yeah. felt good. Little tune-up. I will say, snow made it slippery, but it was good to get it done. Felt strong, so solid day.
Make you feel confident for Sunday?
Yeah, I feel like these tune-ups, it's always just like check them off the box.
Sure.
And that's what today was. So.
Was this like 90%? I mean, this wasn't all out?
No, definitely not. It's
Okay.
more like the reps feel hard, but there's only 4 of them, so it really goes by quick, and it's
Sure.
not, it's really just to have the legs feel sharp for race day on Sunday. Back, it's good. Yeah. JP has a 10K coming up, so maybe he's
Do you need me a little
prepping
quicker?
for that. Yeah. I don't know if it's,
I thought that wasn't till
yeah, you're right, it is
May.
couple.
It is almost May. It doesn't,
True.
it doesn't feel like
Oh my gosh, you're
Basically.
right.
Okay, it's only April 2nd.
You want to tell us about your shoes?
I was working out in the Puma Nitro Deviate Elite 3s today. They have yet to be released, but they are super fast.
Yet to be released.
Yet,
all
yes,
right.
yet to be released.
Prototype shoes, huh?
The version 2s are out, and those are also good. I also like to work out in the Fast R2s. Those are really good. But I prefer those for shorter races or quicker stuff, but these are good for marathon and a little bit longer of reps, I would say. Thanks for coming along and following the workout. You can watch the USATF 10 mile this Sunday at, I believe, 7 or 7:30 Eastern. Thanks for following.